welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a productive vlog. If you didn't know, I am currently 38 weeks pregnant. I can feel myself going to the hospital very, very soon. So I have decided to do a productive day with you guys. I have a lot to do before everything is going to be very, very busy. So I wanted to bring you along. I shared in my last video, I'll start doing home diary videos once in a while, probably every couple of months. Since my life is going to be changing, I'll be adapting to that, so I wanted to share a little bit more home stuff. Also, a couple of months ago, I decided not to do small business vlogs anymore because I wanted to focus my channel more on my content creation life and stuff like that. But as the months went by, I realized that a lot of you do follow me for my point hunt, my small business stuff, but I still want to find ways to include my small business in my videos. So what's better than productive vlogs and sharing a little bit of everything? If you haven't watched my first home diaries video, I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. And if you haven't seen my last small business vlog that is just strictly for my small business, I'll also link that up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But today we'll be doing a little bit of everything. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning in the office and kind of prepping some stuff in here. And I'm gonna be packing my hospital bag, getting that ready for very, very soon. And then after we'll be going to my small business office and I'll share a little bit on that. Since the last vlog I did is when we first moved in, I haven't shared since then, so I'm excited to share that. Without further ado, let's get in. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator. And if you love everything desk, tech, productivity, lifestyle videos, make sure to subscribe and let's get going. For the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up this back area here. If you've been watching my videos, I mentioned before that there was some stuff after I did my mini home office makeover, which you haven't seen yet. I'll make sure to link it up in the cards and down below for you to check out. There was a bunch of stuff that I didn't know how to deal with, so I left it on the side for now. And I am planning to do my home office tour, which I will also be filming an intro in a little bit. But I started to go through it and I definitely need to finish this ASAP because I need to get that video rolling so I can have another video next week before I'll be off for a month or two. So we're gonna do that and let's get in. Okay, so I tidied up a little bit. I even cleaned up my desk a little bit from a mess that I was filming the other day. And now I'm going to look at my planners to see anything I missed out. And I did want to share a little bit of Point Hunt's new releases that's happening tomorrow, which by the time you watch this video, it's going to be out. If you're a list and task person like me, there's just sometimes I can't use my weekly planners and I just need to write a list in general. We have a bunch of list things coming out, so I'm excited for that. First off, we have our clipboards. Will now have a list notepad that you can purchase separately. You can have it just on your desk like this. There's two versions. There's this size and there's a bigger size. Or you can pick up our little acrylic clipboard stand and then you can just have it standing on your desk if you need to see it at a glance. And then this front area, you can put your little pens and stuff like that. So I'm excited to have this on my desk if I need something super quick to look at. What I'm most excited for is in my planner here, we have two new inserts. One is called the list in 4 columns. So we do have a regular list inserts, but now we have a 4-column version. So if you want to have multiple lists on one page, you can have that now. So this is what it looks like. I have some running home tasks that I need to do, and then I'll be checking on my stuff for today. And the second insert is my absolute favorite, is the task admin insert. So you have a section for your notes, and you can put sticky notes if you want. You have a section to answer any emails and calls, just in case there's like some stuff you need to remember to do. And then you have 3 different sections here: urgent to do, soon to do, and someday to do. And then here I just have a little running list for after I give birth. If I have a little bit of time to do some stuff, most of it is all computer work. So if I want to do some computer stuff, I have it here. But that's pretty much it. There's a lot more other new releases for Point Hunt, so I'll let you check it out in the description down below, and I will share a little bit when we go to the office, so stay tuned to keep watching for that. But I'm going to check right now to see what else I have to do, and then we're going to go and pack my hospital bag. Okay, so now we're in my room and we're going to pack our hospital bag, and I'm excited to share something that I got recently. This is from MVST. I picked up one of their suitcases. They sent it to me for free, so all my opinions are on my my own, and I get to share this video however I like. They have so many different sizes. I decided to choose the carry-on plus because I personally already have a carry-on bag, especially for smaller flights. And if I ever do bigger flights, I would love a little bit of a bigger luggage so I can carry a little bit more stuff. And also if I do a lot of road trips and I have to go up to Vancouver to visit family and stuff like that, I have a bigger suitcase to carry around, since I'll definitely be doing that mostly for at least half the year with the baby. I'll share more as I unbox this, and let's get in. Okay, so I'm all packed and ready to go. I was able to touch and feel and kind of see more about this product, which I thought was super cool. First off, I want to say I love the color of this. It's like kind of like a muted pink, but still more on the beige tone side. But I believe in different lighting, it's going to look a little bit different. I would love to appreciate the details because on this towel handle, it's actually kind of like a leather feeling handle. So it feels really, really nice. Also, the side handle is about the same. And they also have the newest TSA combination lock, which I thought was super cool because definitely need to upgrade on certain things as they go by. First off, everything just feels a lot more premium. It feels really, really nice when you zipper. It's just like super smooth, and usually when you do get a new luggage, everything feels super smooth, but I feel like this is actually like even more smooth than when I open my other suitcases. I purchased at least 2 different ones from before from top brands, so this one definitely compares. The insides look really, really great. You probably saw the video. Also comes with a luggage tag, has a bunch of bags, which I love using when I need it for laundry stuff. And the wheel designs are really, really nice. They're especially smooth even when it's fully packed. I'm actually pretty obsessed with this bag, and I'm excited to use this throughout this year. Definitely need a little bit of a bigger bag when it comes to road trips and staycations and stuff like that. When baby is born, definitely need to go on trips again, but I'm excited to use this. And thank you MVST for sending me this. I'm going to treasure this a lot, and let's get to the office. Okay, so I made it to the office, and this is kind of our office slash photo space slash everything we do in here. Usually I'm in here a lot, but also in the warehouse we do a lot of other things. It's still a huge mess in here, so I'm not going to show you too much, but today I need to focus on starting on the stories because everything's releasing tomorrow, and usually I don't come in till later in the day on Fridays, so I want to make sure I have the stories ready to go for at 10 a.m. PST. That's when we usually release our stuff. I'm going to give you a little tour of the space, only the parts that are clean, which is usually mainly the warehouse, the most functional spot of the space. And then I'll do a little behind the scenes, and that's pretty much it for today because then our marketing person is here. I'm not sure if she wants to be shown, so I will have to work with her off camera. But yeah, let's get in. Well, we have 3 areas that I can show you. The rest is still a mess, and since I'm pregnant, I haven't been able to have time to clean up. But we have our pantry here. We ended up painting this so it doesn't look too bad. We have our snacks here, and then we have our little lunch table here. We have water, a bigger fridge than before, and then our little coffee station here, which I still haven't used much of because I need to clean the machine so we can have some nice coffee again. But we do have our Nespresso up there, which I've been using and loving. And then we still need some more like storage up there so we can put our bowls and stuff like that. Right now there's still a lot of it, it's still in boxes, and or they're just like on the dish rack as you see over there. But that's our little pantry area, which is a lot bigger than we need, but it's a nice space to take a break when it needed. This is the front door right here, which Mr. Poi, which is the hubby, is moving some shipping stuff, but it's gonna be all cleaned up once I'm ready again. But this is going to be a little storefront. Like always, going to be a lot smaller than before, but it's going to be a little space for people to pick up and check things out. We have the next two are the most productive and space that we use the most, which is our shipping station. We have some orders that need to go out. But yeah, that's our shipping station. I think you've seen it before, I believe. That's usually where we pack all our orders. Pack with me videos are here and stuff like that. And last but not least is our warehouse. It's still a little messy, but most of it is pretty much good to go. There's just still some racks that I need to deal with, but everything is all sorted very, very well. So I'm excited for that. We have all our desk mats here. We've been categorizing it a little bit better so that when we pick things, it's a lot easier. But there's still a lot of work to do. And as mentioned, when you're pregnant, nothing is done. So hopefully when things get a little bit better, I can start working on little projects here and there and give you a full office tour in the future at Poi and Hun's YouTube channel, which if you haven't followed, make sure to go follow now. But let me go and get some stories done, and I think that's it for today's video. Okay, I'm in the lunchroom and I got my coffee made. Have a banana milk coffee here, which I'm so excited for. But that's it for today's video. Definitely had a very productive morning slash early afternoon. Got a lot of work done for this video and in general, so I'm excited to continue the day. I'll be working with a new marketing person for the next couple hours, and that's pretty much it for my vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Make sure to do those videos when I can, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for other behind the scenes and fun content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!